Hi everyone, my name is Itamar Yona. I'm a 3D printing expert and the CEO of Printsyst, a software solution which removes the 3D printing workflow complexities using artificial intelligence. We are a young startup. In the last 12 months, we implement Printsyst on over 25 small medium enterprises and had more than 27,000 sessions. We also alumnus of Microsoft for Startup Bible program and recently became alumnus of the Startup Yard Accelerator program in the Czech Republic, which also became our investor. I would like to start with that 3D printing is not what you think it is. 3D printing is complicated. It requires expertise and has a learning curve. Most people think that 3D printing is as easy as operating office printer. The reality shows that it's not. If you want to print a single prototype or engineering tool, you need to know all the following parameters. You need to know what is the material. You need to know how to choose the right density, shell thickness, orientation, and on and on and on parameters. In total, there are more than 300 parameters to adjust manually. And if you have just one mistake, only one, you will mess it all up. That's why 3D printing hasn't lived up to the hype. The technology was not delivered. 3D printing is huge, but 3D printing is a mess, and certainly not ready for the masses yet. We are third generation in the printing industry, and the challenges that my grandfather and father used to face when they got started are the same. How to manage a complex workflow. Me and my brother, Eitan, form the core of the team, and together we bring to the table years of domain expertise and software development experience. Our patented technology allows us to identify the model functionality and act upon it. We understand the intent behind the model functionality, which allows us to automate the entire 3D printing workflow. And our vision is to create a true one-click process for the entire 3D printing workflow. Let me show you how it works. First, it analyzes the complex geometries, referring that to a large database based on accumulated with 3D models, and using trained algorithm based on expert experience, it automatically defines the best parameters for printing. This is a screenshot from our user interface, and you can see that all the mentioned parameters such as material, technology, and of course estimation for the printing time are defined automatically, and the most important, we can predict what will be the printing success rates. The 3D printing market is huge, and you can see how modern companies are localized production to get to the market faster. They're using 3D printing on a daily basis in order to reduce iteration and to improve their productivity, but still they need an expert to operate the 3D printing workflow, and for Printsyst it's a huge opportunity. Our experience has shown that Printsyst significantly improved the printing success rate. We reduced the printing preparation workflow time from 30 minutes into 5 seconds on every printing job. By reducing the time, we're increasing the utilization, and by limiting the errors, we are limiting the waste in the process. With Printsyst, you can save time, you can save money, but the most important, you can produce more. Our vision is to implement Printsyst on every 3D printer, and I'm happy to tell you today that Printsyst technology already recognized and approved for a grant by the Israeli Innovation Authority. A few weeks ago, we won the third place in the Future of AI contest, which also proved that our technology is a state of the art. Printsyst target market for full paid production version is designed for first-time users on small medium enterprises and commercial service providers. And our go-to-market strategy is to collaborate with leading 3D printing manufacturers and distributors. There are competitors around, but they all targeting for the professionals. And we are the only one with plug and print solution. 3D printing is not a question anymore. It's a fact. If you want to dominate the manufacturing industry, you should come and talk with me. Thank you very much.